How to move archived files to inbox on Microsoft Outlook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move your archived emails back to inbox in Microsoft Outlook. For that, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, launch your Outlook application on your computer, or you may also open any web browser on your device and go to the Outlook website. At the address bar of the browser, type outlook.com and then press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your Outlook account. Now once you are logged into your Outlook account, you will access your account. Once you reach to this page, here at the left panel, you will find various options. From here find archived option. Once you find this archived option, click on it, and in this next window you will find the files that you have moved to archive. Now from here you can select the emails you want to move, or if you have multiple emails here, you can select multiple emails by holding Ctrl key while clicking on them, or you may also click on one of the emails and here click on this little box in front of this email. Once you do so, you will be able to select all the emails that you would like to move to inbox. Now, once you have selected the emails, you can click on this Move to option from the top right. And once you click on it, you will find the folder options below. Click on this Inbox option and then you will see your email has been moved to inbox. Click on this Inbox option and then there you will find your moved email. Also, you can use the drag and drop method to move the archive files back to inbox. Drag the selected email and drop into the inbox folder. Now you will see the file has been moved to inbox. Or you may also follow this step. Right-click on the email you would like to send back to inbox, and from the options here select Move. Once you select Move, here you will find Inbox option. Click on it and then in this way also you will be able to move your archive files back to inbox. So by following these steps, you should be able to move your archive emails back to your inbox in Microsoft Outlook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.